You said what now?
I said this looks so much better.
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, you can really tell a difference.
I'm glad that you're happy with it.
Yeah, that looks so much different.
One of my little color correction
March
techniques.
20th, Thursday. Now we are out here in beautiful Snellville. We just left Beaufort with my ride along from North Carolina. Also, the job I did yesterday in the Four Seasons for the Jones, they also left me a great review on Google. I just picked up another consultation that I'm going to go do when we leave here in Snellville. Engineered floors, the typical hand scrape engineered floors you guys see me do all the time. So let's flip this around and show you guys what we're going to be doing here. This is Mr. Steve and his wife. I came out here and did an in-home consultation. They booked on the spot for a screen or recoat. We're not doing a UV cure on this floor. So let me show you guys what we're doing. All right, guys, so now we are in Snellville, Georgia. It's a beautiful, beautiful neighborhood. Okay, so let me show you guys what we're going to be doing here. They have a nice backyard with a nice pool as well. That is a beautiful backyard. All right. All right, so we're just doing some prepping. What is this, some tape? I'm gonna try to scrape that up. All right, guys, so this is like close to 700 square feet, screen or recoat. If you look really close, see a lot of surface marking. This floor just really has a lot of surface scratches. Nothing really major. Got a little fading right here. Gonna do a light color correction right there. So floor just has a lot of surface scratches. So this is a good time to do a screen and recoat. Now, Mr. Steve did say, Courtney, we didn't want to move the table. So he actually moved most of the furniture himself. So he said, what we want to do, just go around that rug as much as possible. So when they lay the rug down, they won't see the outline. I always tell my clients, if we don't do the whole floor, when you eventually move that rug, or what we don't do, you will see an outline. But some people say, Courtney, we don't care because we're not planning on moving. So like this right here, they didn't move, so we're just going to go around that. All right, so we got the kitchen area as well. Then we got this hallway. What we're doing now is just taping off the carpet. Also, we're going to go around this rug as well. We're going to go around this. And then we're going to also do this foyer and going into this long hallway. All right, guys. We're about to start screening. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So Rodney's about to use the buffer with the hydro sand for the first time. Go ahead, Rodney. There you go. See? Don't let it get from you. There you go. So with that 6-disc spinner, it's actually able to, you're able to control it a little bit better if it just had the one spinner on there, the one head on there. Oh, there you go. See that? First time. It's your first time screening floors? First time screening floors, guys. There you go. Yep. Now be careful. Now you know you're good. Let me show you something. Oh, yep. See? So you know you're good when you get really good. When you can do when you can hold the camera at the same time. When you can go around those baseboards and not hit them, that's how you know you're good. See that? It's okay. I'm gonna get off. Nice. All right, guys. We're doing screen recoat. This is Ronnie's first time. We're in a buffer. There you go. Nice. Nice. So just taking out the day. First time with the I did a consultation this morning. I just did another consultation in Lawrenceville. So we're gonna stop out there before I hit the shop. Yeah, great. Good job, Ronnie. Good job. Nice. This is about 700 square feet screen recoat. Nice. There you go. Nice. There you go, Ronnie. Nice. Okay, a little too. Go a little cookie, really, yeah. There you go. Nice. Maybe some behind. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah, there you go.
I'd like to show the family that stuff.
Okay, yeah, I seen it before and after. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. All right, guys. Mrs. Yep, you never know. All right, guys, we are done. Mr. Steve had done the walkthrough. Very happy with the floors. Floors came out great. Satin finish looks amazing. One thing he did notice was that color correction right there. See that, guys? Remember it was missing color right here? Look at that now. All these scratches that was all up in this area. Finish went down beautiful. Nice. All right, guys. Well, I sent Rodney and Tavares off early. Rodney so he can get back on the road to Charlotte. But he's probably going to come back next Thursday because next Thursday, again, I'm booked out for like 3 weeks. So next Thursday, we have 2 jobs. We have a wax removal and also a engineered floor screen and recoat with color correction. And then I have another ride along who is from South Dakota. He just got here today. He's going to be with me tomorrow and Saturday. Nice, nice, nice. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.